Hey guys, Redhead Fox here, and we're back. Now the last time I left you off, we were facing off with a zombie that was in the water. And I added a new mod, the Biomes and Plenty mod. And I am logging hardcore now. And I'm gonna refresh. Okay. Let's see if please don't. Oh, we're good. I want your turtle meat. Why did it sound like a chainsaw? I'll never know. Okay, let's make a pickaxe. And get some stone for some stone tools. And a furnace because, yeah. And I want to find these new biomes too. Okay, that's not me. Something's walking around up here. That's definitely not me. Is it another turtle? What you get? Oh, you hide there. Okay. Trying to get a furnace. We got enough. Okay. Oop. Let's get this going. Because I'm starving. What is this thing? Mandarin egg. Let's see, I'm gonna burn this. Can I not cook this? I don't know what they're used for then. Huh. Well, that didn't last long, did it? You know I'm coming for you. Why does it sound like a chainsaw when I kill him? Yum. Okay. What? What is this? I want to know. What the heck? It's like a robot? Ah! Oh. Does it throw blocks? Yes, it does. Ouch. Bro. Bro! Oh, I'm gonna high kill it out of here. I really want to kill that thing, though. That's my goal now. Nope, no, no, no. I quit. You can just go live your happy life. I'm gonna run here. Nope, oh, no, no. Ah! I run. Ah, so many creepers. Running for my life. Ah. Well, this proves to be tougher. Oh, good. It's coming anytime. Skeleton. And I'm on here. So I did add the, what the heck? What the heck? I feel safer down here for some reason. Ooh. Oh, I feel like I'm not commentating enough. I am not. Okay. What were you supposed to commentate here? Like, yeah. Yeah, skip my goal. Okay. Like, this isn't technically Crazycraft because there's a few mods from the Crazycraft pack, but they're not all working for me together. So I couldn't use them together, so I just picked a few mods that would work and test with them and see which ones work together. And yeah. I think I'm gonna add the Mutant Creatures mod next. That'll be fun. And then, oops. Almost pressed that iron. Okay. Oh, geez, I almost missed that block. Okay, this is not very exciting. Like, I wouldn't find this exciting. So I'm gonna go up to the surface and explore until I find the right biome to make a house. Ooh. Spider farm. I could farm this, but I don't want to. Nice. Yes. Great loot. 10 out of 10 quality. I can't tell if that's, I think that's a wolf. That's definitely a wolf. There it is. Can I kill it? There's... Hello? Nope. Back away. Ah! I killed it. Is that a wolf? I don't think this is a wolf. It's no wolf. Yeah. I don't think I've heard a wolf that weird. Kicking on everything. Where's the tip box? Sure, you can just live. You can live. I'm going in circles. I want to go this way. I wonder if I'll find a new biome, because I just... No. No. Why is it on land? Why are these... Why are these fishes on land? No! No! I can ride it! Go that way. This way. This way. This way. Come on. I don't know. Wait, can I come? Okay. Water. Water, save the dolphin. I saved his life. Yes. He's happy now. Why are all these fish out of water? Well, I get unlimited food now. Die fish. Oh, wow. What happened here that there was just fish? There's horses. There's our... New episode. Taming a horse. I guess you'll find out in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching this second episode of my Crazy Craft survival series. I hope you've enjoyed so far. Stuff too. And yeah, comment down below. Comment down below a name for this dolphin, because I will gladly name this dolphin. And yeah, please love me. See you guys in the next episode. Take care.